Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. We're gonna head off fishing here. It's December 4th, I think it is, and we're getting like super late into the salmon fishing, but we were given a secret location, so we're gonna head down the road and we're gonna go do some fishing. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. I'm having a good morning so far. I mean, other than the fact that I've had to sit on this toilet for a little extra longer because I ate something funny last night. But yeah, that's the nice thing about living in a van, is that you always have a toilet nearby ready to go in case you have one of those days that you're just not feeling top notch. Oh, we just turned off the heater. We've got to go find a garbage can because I'm full. And then once we're done that, I'm gonna head out of town, go fishing. See you guys down the road. So I've recorded 3 or 4 videos now where I've gone fishing and I didn't catch a single thing. So you know what I did with the footage? Deleted it all, because I didn't think it would make a great video, because I have no idea what I'm doing half the time, and I'm still learning. So it'd be kind of cool to actually catch a fish, or at least get a few bites to show like, hey, this is fun. But I'm gonna focus on the fact that I live in a van and going to these places is super easy. You know, like 10 minutes down the road, I'm here. You know, if I was living in Vancouver, it'd be well over an hour. If I was living in Vernon, it'd be well over 6 hours just to get here. So it's always the good bonus of finding places to stay close by to where you're fishing, especially when you're doing van life and you're taking every opportunity you can to go fishing. So that being said, I find myself very, very lucky that I get the opportunity to go out fishing like almost any time I want. So I'm going to take advantage of it every time I can. If I didn't take advantage of going fishing every chance I could, I'd be stuck playing video games and running the generator and all that fun stuff for hours and hours a day. I'm just happy to be out here. That's all I gotta say. Very happy I can be out here. I just gotta make my way down this treacherous little hill climb. It's not too bad. All right, let's go catch some fish.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alright. As I reach out to the sky, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way. In bad times okay, 'cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way.
I couldn't really tell, but I'm pretty sure this was actually a good hook. I don't think it was a foul hook, but there is a chance it was a snag, so I couldn't really tell, but I did lose it. Well, I didn't get any fish today. That's all right. We'll try again tomorrow. Guess that's one of the huge bonuses of living in a van. You get to go where the fish are. I'm at the fish now. I just need to figure out how to get them on the hook. I've tried almost everything. I've tried 3 flies. I found 2 of them, which was kind of cool. Soft beads, jigs. I didn't bring any worms today. I didn't think I was going to use any today, but maybe I should have brought some. Maybe I would have been able to catch one on a worm. I've tried spoons, spinners, and I have 1 fish on the spinner. So maybe we'll put the spinner back on and we'll go back in the river again and try again. I'm not for sure certain, but I'm pretty sure somebody that I was watching took a couple fish home that were snagged. Now I don't know for sure. I wonder if I got them on camera. If I did, I'll check it out. On our way back to the van, it's getting dark. It's getting cold, actually. It's getting really cold. My feet are freezing. Maybe by chance tomorrow we'll catch fish. If not, hell no. It's getting cold at home, so we wouldn't be able to go fishing. There's already snow at Sugar Lake. That's crazy. But they are also, 6-hour drive away and 2,600 feet above me. So they're definitely way up there in the bush, whereas we're really close to the ocean. See you guys back at the van. So I just verified on iHunter BC, this is Crownland. So we can stay here, but we're kind of like on a slant. Like I'm literally falling over on my seat. So we're gonna move just up the road here, and there's this pull out there. It should be flat enough. And we're gonna pull out the generator and start charging these batteries, because they're not super low, but the voltage is low, and that's what I'm afraid of. There might be like a dead battery in the mix, which I've discussed before. Yeah, we're on 12.25. That's not bad. That's pretty good voltage considering we're running the fridge, the heater, the lights. But yeah, we're just gonna move up the road. We're gonna make sure that battery's fully charged, get it all topped up. So we're sitting at 71% on the battery, which is about 144 amp hours drawn, or 143.7. Yeah, we just throw the generator on that, charge it up. Yeah, well, I decided to investigate. All right, I'm doing a little inspection, and I found that this wire right here is loose. So we've got to take this off, get that bolt tightened, because there's a metal copper plate from here to this one. So this one is loose. I'm not gonna wiggle it right now. Got the heater turning off right now, and I've only got the lights and the fan going. I don't know if the fridge and the freezer's going, but I got a light. I got my toolbox, So we're going to pull that off and tighten that. First, we're going to pop this fuse out. That way there's no sparky. And then we'll pop everything out here. Okay, heater is almost off. I'm going to pop this up here. Turn the fan off. Yeah, the fridge or the freezer's running. That's all right. It'll be fine. Okay. Start pulling this apart. Going down, it's only 1 volt. Weird. 0.7 volts, I think it'll be alright. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's a 17 now. Okay, that's as tight as I can get it. Okay, job's well done. It's all nice and tight now. So I think I'm gonna call that good. I kind of wish I had one of those flares, you know, so you can see what's hot, what's not. But I'm gonna put everything back together, gonna put the tools away, and then I'm gonna have some dinner. All right, back to the past Spiike. I've been told multiple times now that people are jealous of my setup. And I just had one guy yesterday or the day before say, this is a pretty darn sweet setup, and people are jealous of the way I live, what I live in, and how much fishing I can do. Because if you lived in a house and you had to drive 2-3 hours just to get to a fishing spot, that sucks. Considering I've been fishing for just about, what, 2.5 months now, or just over 2.5 months. Not quite straight, but we drove Highway 99 down through Whistler, through Squamish, and then we hit North Vancouver. Because, you know, I've traveled the highway between Vancouver and Kelowna a couple times, but I figure Highway 99, I've never been down it. That was pretty fun. If you haven't seen those videos, you can check those out. About a month and a half, 2 months ago. You can find them on my YouTube channel. I'm extremely grateful for this van. This thing is freaking awesome. I love it. Can't wait to actually catch a coho on one of these rods. I'm like dying here. Like, I'm to the point where I'm not leaving until I get at least one fish on the hook. Whether it's gear I've found on the ground or gear that Chad's recommended and things like that, but we're gonna keep trying. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna quit. I'm determined. I am 100% determined to get this fish, regardless of how I get it on there, except for illegally, of course. Otherwise, you know, I'd just pull my status card out and be like, hey, you know, I'm allowed to net these fish. I'm allowed to spear these fish. I'm allowed to bow hunt on these fish. Like, there's so many other types of fishing that would be so cool to pick up and learn how to do, but unfortunately I can't. It's illegal. Wow, that train is loud. All right, so we're just gonna pack it up and we're gonna move a little bit down the road, and then we'll head out fishing early tomorrow morning. Maybe we can actually get a fish. Now that we've tried everything and we know what works, we'll just try what works and we'll just throw it in there and keep fishing. Yeah. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to hit the like on the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.